Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth view about these two platforms to help you compare which of these platforms will be a best CRM platform for you to use in 2025. So to get started with the quick overview, SugarCRM is an enterprise-grade CRM platform offering advanced automation, predictive analytics, and a full customization. It deals for mid-size to large business that requires scalable, high configurable workflow and a deployment flexibility. Talking about Nutshell CRM on the other side is a user-friendly sales focused on CRM design for small to mid business team. It emphasizes ease of use, strong pipeline management, and a built-in email together with sales automation, and making it a great for businesses focused on closing deals without a complexity. Now, talking about the best of this platform, so SugarCRM is best for large terms needing a customizable AI-powered CRM tools with a advanced information or automation. Then talking about Nutshell CRM on the other side is best for small to mid-size businesses looking for a streamlined, easy-to-use sales CRM. And here's the overall conclusion. So if you need a full-featured customizable CRM that can scale with enterprise level need and leverage AI-powered insight, just go for SugarCRM. Then on the other side, if you are a smaller sales teams looking for an intuitive, cost-effective CRM to manage your pipeline and close deal faster, just go for Nutshell CRM. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section which of these two platforms would be a best option for you. Thanks.